Welcome everyone to today's lecture on risk management in ISO 21500. I am Devarshika Nigam and I will be guiding you through the essential concepts and practices of managing risks effectively in your projects according to the ISO 21500 standard. ISO 21500 provides high-level guidance on project management applicable to any organization regardless of size, industry or type. One of the critical areas it addresses is risk management, which is vital for identifying, assessing, and controlling risks that could affect project success. Risk management in ISO 21500 involves a set of processes to identify, assess, respond to, and monitor project risks. Effective risk management ensures that potential problems are anticipated and mitigated before they impact the project. Key processes in risk management according to ISO 21500. ISO 21500 outlines several key processes in risk management. Risk identification is the process of determining which risks might affect the project and documenting their characteristics. This involves gathering information from various sources, including historical data, expert judgment, and stakeholder inputs. Common tools include brainstorming sessions, checklists, and SWOT analysis. Risk assessment. Risk assessment involves evaluating the identified risks to determine their potential impact and likelihood. This process helps prioritize risks based on their severity and probability. Techniques such as qualitative risk analysis, which uses probability and impact metrics, and quantitative risk analysis, which employs numerical methods, are commonly used. Risk response planning. Risk response planning involves developing options and actions to enhance opportunities and reduce threats to project objectives. This includes defining strategies for dealing with both positive risks and negative risks. Common strategies for threats include avoidance, mitigation, transfer, and acceptance. For opportunities, strategies include exploitation, enhancement, sharing, and acceptance. Risk monitoring and control. Risk monitoring and control is the process of tracking identified risks, monitoring residual risks, identifying new risks, and evaluating the effectiveness of risk responses. It ensures that risk management remains an ongoing process throughout the project life cycle. Regular risk reviews and risk audits are critical components of this process. Tools and techniques for risk management. Various tools and techniques recommended by ISO 21500 for effective risk management include risk registers for documenting identified risks, their assessments and response plans, risk probability and impact matrix for prioritizing risks based on their likelihood and impact, Monte Carlo simulation for quantitative risk and analysis and scenario planning, decision trees for evaluating decision options and their potential impacts. Benefits of effective risk management. Effective risk management offers numerous benefits, reduces project uncertainty and increases the likelihood of success, enhances decision-making by providing a structured approach to risk, improves stakeholder confidence and satisfaction, minimizes negative impacts on project objectives, ensures better resource allocation and preparedness. Common challenges and solutions. Some common challenges in risk management include lack of stakeholder engagement, inadequate risk identification, and poor risk response planning. Solutions involve engaging stakeholders early and continuously, using comprehensive and systematic risk identification methods, developing realistic and actionable risk response plans. In conclusion, risk management is a crucial component of project management as outlined in ISO 21500 By identifying, assessing, planning, responses for, and monitoring risks, you can ensure that your projects are better prepared to handle uncertainties and achieve their objectives. Thank you for your attention. Now I'd like to open the floor for any questions you might have about risk management in ISO 21500. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.